So ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the coffee table book of all the experiences of Mother and Soul of India. We are now going to sit up and you can pull the ribbon as well. Can we have go on to the next thing also? Could we have you sign this book, please?
साइन करना कर सकते हैं
What I have said is ever grateful for this experience. Thank you, Living Proof. Wonderful book. I think one of the other great advantages of working with partners like Living Proof is that you get to do things a little differently. And also I think you get the opportunity to really express yourself. So the foreword is goes this way. O Devi Bhagavati Ganga, the goddess of Devas, you liberate the three worlds with the merciful waves of your liquid form. O stateless, pure one, who resides at the head of Shankara, may my devotion remain firmly established upon your lotus feet, Adi Shankaracharya. Words are not enough to express my journey from Gangotri to Gangasagar, from the icy cold of Uttarakhand to the majestic waters of the Bay of Bengal. I started my journey on December 15th and it ended on the 16th of February. It was an epic journey that touched me in ways that I could never have imagined. Strangely, the first place I visited, the Gangotri temple, was shut when I reached there on a cold December day. However, the same Val priest welcomed me, blessed me, did an arti as the sun was setting and the temperature was dropping. He blessed me to have an auspicious journey. I had a life-changing one. I met devotees, priests, teachers, eco-warriors, artists, musicians, cooks, human beings, Indians who have faith in the river to water their fields, quench their thirst, and purify them. Ganga is, she's the soul of India. She feeds, she nurtures, she renews without fear or favor. She is impatient and loving. I'd advise you, or request you rather, to go and discover your own Ganga. Spend time on her banks, under her stars, on her boats, take a dip, jump from a height, pray. Meet her people and hidden places lost to time. Eat her delicacies and savor her water. It's delicious water, the soul of India. That was absolutely magic. Standing in that corner, my eyes well up right now. But it speaks so much about something that we really have to be looking out for and taking care of. There's a very simple rationale, which I think all of us will agree with, that what we love, we will protect. What we love, we will want to preserve. So I think the extraordinary opportunity that Living Foods has given me and each of us is to discover that love for this glorious river. And I'm a big believer that happiness is contagious, and that will permeate and hopefully make everybody sit up and say we've got to do something about it.
We can see it. We can see it through when you speak, come and join us on stage. We would also like to request the director of the show to come and join us here on stage. So please, let's welcome Mr. Apartim Khare. As we have our channel head, and we have the director, we have the host, and we have all of them together for one photograph for you. They're getting scared of you, Bia.
चलो आगे, बहुत हो गया, बंद करो।
All right, so thank
Good evening, everyone. This is Zohair from Bollywood Boss.
Oh, what?
Now is, as you mentioned about the river Ganges, it's not merely a river. It stands for.
Really revealed the real truth. And what was most exciting was that this journey was one that encompassed many of the personal passions I had and things that I wanted to do and explore and experience in life. And जैसे कि अब आपने कहा कि इस नदी की सभ्यता में गंगा जमुनी सभ्यता है, इसके अलावा भी बहुत कुछ है. But the fact is that there are many confluences that occur naturally with the river along its course. But alongside that, it is also a reflection of the integration and the confluence of civilizations, human beings. We've had so many invaders who kind of come and lived and yes, at one time housed so many aspects and elements that the terms of India को खोज रहे हैं. ये शायद उनको इस बात का एहसास दिलाए क्या होता है idea of India, असलियत में क्या होता है. And being the third largest river and supporting the population, the density of population that she does, there is so much about the people, not just the people to discover along her banks, but so much to discover about her. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं जानती थी. वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद ये जर्नी तय करने के बाद ही जान पाई.
एक और सवाल उठा है जब गंगा से सबका रिश्ता को देखते हैं तो एक इमोशनल कनेक्ट है. मतलब आप उस सफर से लौटी हैं तो आपके लिए कोई इमोशनल अभी कौन से
जब लोगों को प्यार महसूस होगा और and people will discover their love for the river, that is what I think will propel them or convince them to do more to protect it. There are a lot of amazing human beings जो गंगा के किनारे बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स कर रहे हैं, सफाई कर रहे हैं, बहुत काम कर रहे हैं. लेकिन I think the stage at which she is now and the amount of pollutants that we witness today is not the outcome of a few months of apathy. It's years of ignorance and years of apathy, and it will take some time for us to overcome that lack of awareness and that apathy. But there is a lot of work happening. बहुत मेहनत हो रही है, कड़ी मेहनत हो रही है. लेकिन like many other things हमारे देश में जो हम देखते हैं, it's a corruption of conscience that has led to the pollution and the rapid rate of pollution. And we can see that in many other aspects of our society. But the good news is that there are great people, young people, जो कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं और हार नहीं मानते. सफाई करते जाते हैं, कोई आगे गंदगी करता है, फिर जाते हैं. बिल्कुल वो सीन है ना मुन्ना भाई में. वो आदमी रोज थूकता है, बच्चा आके साफ करता है पानी से, फिर आगे आदमी थूकता है, फिर पानी से साफ करेगा. वैसे ही ऑन द ग्राउंड काम. लेकिन ये सिर्फ कचरे वाला मुद्दा नहीं है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे there are lots of conscious choices that people have to start making. जो hoteling industry है, जो tourism industry है, जो on the banks of the river, there are many
other things that are happening that are limiting the pollution of the river. लोग actually law follow करेंगे, rules follow करेंगे तो strike कर पाएंगे. Problem ये है कि हम law ज़्यादा ही तोड़ते हैं. Another question to that? Yeah. So you make sure that it comes to you, sir, the white shirt. I'll make sure it comes to you. Let's just give everyone in the back a chance. Yeah? Up. Sorry, आपने कुछ क्या पहले क्या आगे पहले क्या कहा था? Detailing. खुद को ready. Physically challenging तब तक रहा when we were in the higher terrain, higher planes. So there was a few things that I had to do. It's an interesting question. अच्छा हुआ आपने पूछा, ये बात शायद नहीं रह जाती. क्योंकि ऐसे चीजों में हम लोग ज़्यादा डिटेलिंग की बात नहीं करते हैं, unless of course the concept right when you're putting things together. But I needed to be physically fit to take on the terrain that we were going to. काफी ऊंचाई पे है ये जगह जहाँ पे शुरुआत होती है गंगा की और तो रोज सीढ़ियों से ऊपर नीचे चढ़ना जितना हो सके उतना अपना physical endurance करवाना. But that apart, what I really loved about this experience is that it was free flowing. तो what Shrikant and Apratim, my director, did was उन्होंने बहुत strategic points पे ऐसे लोगों के साथ मेरी मुलाकात करवाई जो उन्हें लगता था मेरी मुलाकात उनसे नीचे, लेकिन बाकी जो जितनी भी मोमेंट्स हैं, even the interactions with the individuals, nothing on the show is scripted. Not one moment, not one word. It was almost like there's 11 cameras were unleashed on me, and I was like flowing. And that's what made it great fun. क्योंकि हालांकि दिन बड़ा लंबा होता था, ऐसे काफी मरतबा हुआ है कि हम 5-5, 6-6, 7-7 घंटे गाड़ी में सफर तय करके कोई जगह पहुंच के वहाँ पे शूट करके बिल्कुल थोड़ा समय बिता था to get to like, and we stayed in the most obscure places, the smallest hotels, the stopped and met people, suddenly decided to shoot. It's been a very organic process, very hard work. दिन के 16 घंटे, 17 घंटे, कभी 15 घंटे नॉन स्टॉप काम, क्योंकि आप जब ड्राइव भी कर रहे हो किसी जगह पे आप एक्चुअली रेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हो. Because I would be like my eyes wide open, looking out of the window, taking it all in, asking questions, wondering whether we can stop because Apratim and me would be on walkie-talkie all the time. So I'm like, sir, should we stop here? Isn't this beautiful? Should we capture this? So, and then of course he would also want to suddenly stop somewhere, go to a dhaba, suddenly speak to an individual or a person who he thought looked like a very interesting character. But the beauty about this experience was that, you know, we keep saying everybody is a story waiting to be told. And in fact, that is so true. Because bubbles, आपका घर आपका बबल होता है, आपका ऑफिस या वर्क स्पेस आपका बबल होता है, आपकी गाड़ी या जो लोकल मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है, दैट्स योर बबल. जब आप स्लो ट्रैवल करते हो और उस बबल से निकलते हो, अपने आप को निकालते हो उसमें से, you put yourself into what you call the real world and experience real on the ground. You discover what life really is and how magical it can be and how tough.
We have one more question. If we compare you with River Ganga, what's the similarity between you and Ganga?
Why don't you tell? Why don't you tell? I think I would like to believe that as a human being, I care most for life. I respect life. I give a lot of love freely without expecting it. And I don't judge easily.
Yeah,
So I think those are probably a few qualities I have.
face.
And I'm bubbly. And I'm full of life. And I'm willing to learn and embrace. So just 1 second, that we've been waiting and you can go after that, yeah? I'll let you go up. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Or Ganga in Rishikesh.
You practice new asanas. You speak to people who are spiritually evolved. There are many things that I think there's a basic knowledge that all of us have gone with. There's certain truths that we all come with and awareness with. And of course, life and many constructs kind of beats that out of you. And I think these opportunities kind of make you go back to that learning, go back to that knowledge. But the one beautiful thing that I repeatedly discovered through the great individuals that I met along the way was the emphasis they laid upon the noise in the head, taking away from the opportunity to be happy. And they would, a lot of the people I spoke to on the ground, when you see the show, you will discover, say that happiness can only exist when you do what you love. And I just felt so grateful because I think in more ways than one, it was a very, very decisive moment in my life about 7 years ago when I said to myself, I will only do that what gives me joy. I'm
going to go back to the gentleman at the back. and I'll come to you. Yeah.
राज कपूर साहब भी कह गए थे कि करेगा बेचारी जिसे अपने लोग